Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Radiant Diva Skincare. If today is your first time of tuning in, please do subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you will get notified each time I drop a new video. And to my old subscriber guys, thank you so much. So guys, you can follow me on my Instagram page, you can follow me on my Facebook, you can follow me on my TikTok. Okay, so every link is below the description box. Okay, and you can just look at this up screen. You can see my Instagram page here written here. So guys, we are going to be making a facial cream for treatment, and it's also for glowing the face. Okay, for those people that want a gentle cream that is also active, you get. So we have some people, they need something gentle on their face, but they also want that face cream to be active. For those that have melasma, for those that have skin rash, for those that have uneven skin tone. Okay, so we're going to be making this facial cream. We're going to be keeping it gentle. Okay, so guys, we are going to start with our measurement, and we are going to be using our base cream. So this is our base cream. Let me show you. So this is our base cream, and this base cream is made with shea butter. It is made with emulsifying wax, stearic acid. It is made with lactic acid. It is made with carrot oil. It is made with propanediol. So guys, this is pure base cream, no whitening powders here, nothing in here, just pure base cream. Okay, so we're going to measure out our base cream. We're going to use 100 grams of our base cream. Okay, this is 101 grams of our base cream. So we're going to keep this aside, and we are going to be using Clinic Clear facial cream. This is for anti-tache, action rapid. I don't know if you can see this, action rapid. So this is the tube, and this helps to clear the face from rashes. It helps to clear the face from pigmentation. It helps to lighten up the face. Okay, it is called Clinic Clear Swiss formula. So I'm going to use one of this Clinic Clear cream. So guys, you're going to be using just one of it. This is a very good cream guys. It's a very good cream. It's have this multifunctional whitening body whitening ingredient in it, and it helps to brighten and also help to hydrate your skin. So we're going to be adding just one of this. So you can watch this video from starting to the end guys, because so we are done with this. And the next cream that we are going to be adding is the Kojic Clear Lemon. So Kojic Clear Lemon is a very good cream. It helps to lighten up the skin. You can see it's made with lemon. So any product that is made with lemon, it helps to lighten up the skin, and it helps to target skin pigmentation. It helps to target eczema. It helps to target allergic, and it's really good. So I'm going to be using just one of this Kojic Clear Lemon cream. Okay, add in the Kojic Clear Lemon cream. Guys, this cream is really great for those of you that don't want to lighten up your face that much, and if you're having sensitive face, this is also good to use for sensitive skin. Okay, so what we are going to be adding next, the serum we are going to be adding is the Rapid Whitenizer Serum. So you can check out the name, Rapid Whitenizer Serum. This is really great, and it's really good if you want to mix your facial cream. is great to use to mix your facial cream. And this have the effect of brightening. It also have the effect of pimples, anti-aging. It also have the effect of spots. So this is really great when it comes to mixing of your any of your facial cream. So you can also mix this with your lotion, but you know, it's really small. If you want to get the effect, if you want to mix it with your lotion, then you have to use up to 5 bottles, because this bottle is really small. So I will be adding 2 of it. I'll be adding 2 bottles of the rapid whitenizer cream. This rapid whitenizer serum, guys, it is really good, really good. Just try it and make sure to get the original one, because they have the fake. They have the fake. The color of the fake one is brown. This look like a cream, like, you know, salad cream. The original one look like salad cream. It is milk color. The fake one is brown and very thick inside, very thick. So after this, guys, we are going to be adding oils. And here we have the our infused oil. Here I have chamomile oil, and I also have calendula oil. And this I think this should be like 3 months, or if not more than 3 months here. So this is going to help to glow the skin, brighten the skin, target rashes, target eczema. We all know what herbal oil does to the skin, of course, right? So you can just Google the benefits of calendula oil and Google the benefits of chamomile oil. So you're going to see the great benefit. And I also used sunflower oil to infuse this herb. So sunflower oils, any skin type can use it, okay? Any skin type. If you have sensitive skin, if you have dry skin, it is really great, and it is not going to clog your pores, okay? It is not going to clog your pores. That is why I used sunflower oil to infuse this herbal oil. So this is what I'm going to do, guys. So because we have this stuff inside there, I'm just going to filter this oil gently, like I'm going to filter the oil gently because of the herbal stuff we have inside. Okay, and I'm going to add another spoon again. So just gently. So don't worry, guys, I'm going to remove the seeds. I'm going to remove the seed from the cream. So you can see the seed. So let's mix together, guys. Guys, this facial cream is really great, okay? For my chocolate skin girls, my brown skin girls, and for those that have sensitive skin. You know, those of you that have sensitive skin, anything you apply on your face is just going to irritate your face. So this facial cream is also great for you. So you're just going to mix everything together, and you do not need to add preservative, or I don't know how you're going to be making your base cream, but my base cream I already add preservative to it. So I'm not going to add anything like preservative. I'm not going to add anything like glycerin and stuff like that. The only thing I can add here is vitamin E oil. So I'm going to add just a drop of my vitamin E oil. This is okay. And keep mixing. So you just have to mix everything, and you are good to go, okay? This cream is very great and it smells nice. It's gentle on your face, so you don't need to be scared. You can use it even if you're going outside during the summertime, no problem. For those of you that want to join the online training class, you can send message via my WhatsApp, and my WhatsApp number is below the description box, so you can join and register for the online training class. So guys, thanks for watching. So guys, I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. Bye.